how to trim videos in Filto app. Let's quickly learn how to trim videos in Filto app. Open Filto app and tap the plus icon to create a new project. Tap the audio from your gallery and drag the handle at the starting. Once it loads, look at the bottom toolbar, tap Clip Edit, then tap Trim, and drag the handle at the starting or end to trim unwanted parts. Preview your trim tapping play, and if you are done, tap the check mark. And also trim before editing effects or music to save time. And that's it. Your video ready for editing. If you love this tutorial, hit like, share, and subscribe for more Filto app tips. Catch you in the next one.